Hello everyone, welcome to Junkcast. In this video, we are going to look at the problem Leafy trial from Battle 1. So previously we have completed the missing slice and now we are going to work on the Leafy trial. If you look at the target, we need to draw three leaves, one with yellow and one with kind of slight greenish and one with a dark greenish color. Let's go and start the coding part. So the first thing I used to do is like remove the corners, space on the corners. So we'll say like margin 0px and then padding 0px. Yes, so now it has been removed. So now let's have this div named like div class outer. Now we'll have one more div called div class wrapper. Okay, so now we have two divs and let's give this outer div like color dot outer. We'll give background color as hash 0p2429 and then give the width 100%, height 100%. Okay, so we have given the width and now we just want to make sure like move this wrapper exactly within the center. So you say like let's say display flex and now say like justify content center and align items center. Okay, so everything has been aligned in the center. Now we just want to create three divs, div class, let's say leaf leaf 1 I will say like div leaf, we give color 1 and now just copy and paste one by one. Okay, so color 1, so we'll give this one like color 2, color 3. So for color 1 we'll give the color as yellow. So background okay, so now we have a background with yellow and for color 2 we'll give a background of pale gray. Yeah, so pale gray and then for color 3 we'll give a background of dark green. Okay, so now it has been given. Now what shall we do? Like we need to align all the three divs in a single frame. So let's have this wrapper class. Let's provide the property display flex and give like flex direction row. Okay, perfect. So we have aligned all the three classes. I think we just want to make sure. Okay, so color 3, or you can say like Okay, so now, so if you look at here, seems like we need to flip the colors. So what we'll do, like, we'll move this color 3 here at the top and color 1 at the bottom. Okay, now we have 3 colors: yellow, pale green, and the dark green. So we'll apply some CSS class for the leaf one to have the width and all. So have this dot leaf, and now remove this background color. Perfect. So we got somehow we got all these things. So we just want to give some background, and then we need to apply the z index and then position all the divs. So that's what we just want to do it here. So we'll give the height of like 150. Okay, so before that, what I'll do, like, I'll try to hide the 2 divs, so that we will focus on the first one. And once the first leaf looks fine, then we'll target other leaves. Okay, so I think I'm sorry, like, we need to concentrate on okay, so we need to concentrate on here. It's okay. So what we'll do, like, we'll have a border radius px, let's say 150 px, and then we'll have a 0 px applied. Is it matching? No. So we'll go with 120. Yeah, pretty much close. How about 130? 150? No. 100 should be fine, and barely we need to increase this width and height. Or I guess this looks fine. Okay, so this looks pretty close. Okay, yes. Now what we'll do, like, we will enable the other CSS. So we'll say this leaf, like, so this is color 1, so we'll have this as z index 1 between. Okay, so now we will enable the color 2. Okay, so now we have applied this color 2. Okay, so now we'll go and apply for color 2. Okay, so now what we'll do, like, we will go for position relative. So before that, like, say we'll have this position wrapper to be like position relative, so that we can use the absolute class on other leaves. So for color 2, we'll give like position absolute, and then I think I'm sorry, like, I need to go for 2 position absolute, say top 0, bottom 0, and now left 10 px. Okay, so this should be like, instead of left, it should be right. Okay, write 10px and have the z index to be 2. I'm sorry, we don't want the z index, sorry. Okay, so 20, 40, perfect. So 50 is fine, looks pretty decent. And now we just want to, the next thing we just want to make sure is like to go for color 3. So copy and paste the same thing, and now we will enable this color 3. Okay, so we enable color 3 and paste it on color 3. Okay, so what we should do, like we need to say position absolute. Okay, now so give 150, 100. Yeah, so everything looks fine. So now the next word is to move this. So we have all those things. So we just want to move this everything towards the center one. So what shall we do? Like the wrapper, we have everything on the center. So let's say we have this border 1px solid red. So we have everything here, even though it's in center. So let's go and give this, let's remove this z index. Now we should have the z index. Okay, so we have, we'll give this position absolute for the one, and then say like the same thing. Color 1, so let's say top, let's remove this. Okay. Okay, so we need to move this one. So how to move this? Like either we should let me remove these stubs from here, and let's see how this. Okay, so so leaf. Let's give like margin right. Okay, so margin left, or we can say like margin, let me try this one, 0px auto, no, 10px. So let's say margin left. Okay, so now we'll check this. There is no difference. Okay, the design looks pretty same. So this is one of the method we can do. You can either go, so even I have seen other developers solution, like they have a particular div, and on top of the div they went with before and after pseudo classes and achieved this target. It's up to the developers convenience. So here I use this solid 3 divs, and with the 3 divs and went with the position absolute. Hope you have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please click on the please give a thumbs up on the like, and please click on the like. If you have any feedback, please provide a feedback on the comment box. We'll meet soon. Thanks for watching.